Oh wow, smells so good. The bread is ready. See how tiny it is. Freshly baked bread. Just cut it. For baking recipe, click on the tag above. Look at that. How soft it is. So we have to get mayonnaise and cheese and tomato sauce and chili sauce. We're going to make tiny toast with tiny bread. Here's the loaf of bread. Can you see? It's all chopped and cut and tiny. There's all pieces. Okay, let's put on the stove and put the pan. Oh, it's getting hot. Let's put the chili sauce and spread in the bread. So need to get a little bit spicy. Pour some oil and spread with the spatula and put the beaten egg and put the bread and fry together. So the bread will come in with the egg and it will have a soft and nice taste. We have to toast for some more time and flip it. I think it's ready now. Let's get it with the plate. Wow, it's looking so nice. Tiny toast for my tiny sister. Beaten egg and chili sauce spreaded egg. So now the tiny toast is ready. Now we can make the cheese toast. And keep it in the plate. Let's get the bread and let's get all the bread and also get some green chili sauce. And we can get the cheese too to get a cheesy flavor. Wow. Let's stick each other together and let's put the bag. Let's get it hot, the bread. Okay, it's ready. Let's get some taste now. Today, special is egg toast for breakfast. So good. Miniature kitchen. I get a bite and so yummy. I'll show you. Look, it's very cheesy, right? Whoa. It's amazing. Click subscribe and click the bell button to get notification. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share in comments.